Planet X, aka Nibiru or Planet 9, to cause mass extinction on Earth in the near future? The mysterious, elusive and enigmatic Planet X, aka Nibiru or Planet 9, with its incredibly long 27 million-year orbit is considered by many as only a myth. However, indications that there is more to it than pure mythology has existed for many decades. According to one astrophysicist, the elusive planet spells doom for planet Earth. According to researchers, the arrival of Nibiru, Planet X, could bring about a mass extinction on Earth, wiping out life as we know it. While many believe Planet X and Nibiru are two completely separate things, many are confident that the day we find Planet X, we will find Nibiru, the mythical home planet of the ancient Anunnaki, creators of man, according to ancient Sumerian legends. Zecharia Sitchin described Nibiru according to Sumerian cosmology as the 12th planet. Nibiru is home to an alien race called the Anunnaki, who are an extremely advanced extraterrestrial civilization. The planet which, according to ancient text is around 10 times the size of our planet, is located further away from the Sun than any known planet ever discovered, beyond the Kuiper Belt. According to researchers, the larger a celestial body in space is, the larger its gravitational pull is. This means that a bigger planet can gravitationally affect smaller bodies located near it. Jupiter, for example, plays a crucial role in protecting the planets of the inner solar system from comets and meteors. However, Nibiru, Planet X or the 9th planet could do the opposite, and many believe there are scientific facts that suggest such a planet could end life on Earth. In 2008, Japanese researchers announced that according to their calculations, there should be an undiscovered planet at a distance of about 100 astronomical units, that has a size of up to 2/3 of the planet Earth. These and many other calculations support the hypothesis of the existence of Nibiru, or Planet X. According to many, a mass extinction that occurred 27 million years ago was caused by the approach of the elusive planet. Comets and minor celestial bodies plummeted into Earth, changing the planet forever. According to researchers, there are fossils on Earth which suggest such a scenario did, in fact, occur in the distant past when a large object impacted our planet and caused a massive extinction. However, there are those who believe that this scenario is a recurring one and that it will happen in the future. This diagram shows Planet 9's predicted orbit, in orange, next to the orbits of the 6 most distant known objects in the solar system, in pink, and Neptune's orbit, in magenta. Calculations suggest Planet 9's orbit should cause additional objects to orbit perpendicular to 9's plane. 5 objects, whose orbits are shown in blue, fit his expectation. Ancient Sumerians and other ancient cultures are said to have documented the existence of the mysterious planet. However, our inability to find it in modern times has categorized the celestial body as being a myth, and not a fact as many believe. Recent data, however, tells an entirely different story. According to a retired astrophysicist from the University of Louisiana, Daniel Whitmire, Nibiru, aka Planet X, is real and it is a recurring celestial phenomenon that spells doom for planet Earth. A recently published research presented to the monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society suggests that a planet similar to Nibiru could cause and has caused mass extinction on Earth several times in the distant past of our planet. Professor Whitmire first speculated about the planet and its mass extinction connection with Earth in 1985 in the journal Nature. Professor Whitmire's speculation was not taken much into account until earlier this year, scientists started seeing anomalous behavior in a small group of celestial objects located beyond Pluto. Researchers speculate that only a planet, 10 times the size of Earth, probably Nibiru, could influence other celestial bodies in such a way. Professor Whitmire and his colleague John Matisse suggest that a planet like Nibiru, or Nibiru in fact, orbits our Sun and passes through the Kuiper Belt every 27 million years. During its journey into the inner parts of our solar system, the massive planet picks up comets and other space debris along its way. As it travels towards the Sun, the space rocks it finds during its journey are scattered across the solar system, and some of them end up bombarding planets like Earth, causing mass extinctions to occur. Whitmire, who retired and has been teaching at Lafayette since 2012 and the University of Arkansas since 2013, says, "I've been part of this story for 30 years. If there is ever a final answer, I'd love to write a book about it." However, astrophysicists Konstantin Batygin and Michael E. Brown, the duo behind the discovery, say not so fast. They suggest the existence of a planet 9, but nothing like the mythological stories of Nibiru. Whitmire has been speculating for decades about a very distant, very massive planet pushing comets around. It has to have an orbital period of something like 27 million years, Brown told Discovery recently. Whitmire's theory may or may not make sense. It definitely has nothing to do with Planet 9, which is much closer to the Sun and thus only takes 15,000 years to go around, Brown added. Planet X has received so much attention mostly because of the alleged mystical connection between the celestial body and astronomical observations of ancient civilizations like the Sumerians and other ancient cultures around the globe. Somewhere along the way, details and information about the planet were distorted and Planet 9, which most likely exists, was confused with the mythical Planet X, say researchers, like Brian Cox, who refers to Planet X as an imaginary bullshit planet. We really hope you enjoyed this article and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.